Explain Everything is the white tile with the blue light bulb. It came preloaded on all of our teacher iPads. This preloaded version of the app is the paid version. You'll click on the tile to open it. We're going to begin by creating a new project. So click the plus button in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. I'd like to start with a blank project. You're going to see all of your tools on the left-hand side of the screen. At the top of the screen is the hand. That is going to be just like your mouse click. Below that, you have a plus where we'll add a document or a picture in just a second. Next, we have a pen, a highlighter, an eraser, a color fill option, a shape tool. I can also enter text box if I don't want to annotate or write. I can snip something. I can get rid of large objects. This is the pointer tool I'm using right now. And right down here is the undo button. So if you highlight, delete, or just do something you want to change your mind about, you can undo. So I'm actually going to start with the plus button right below the hand. And when I click that, I'm going to select picture. My picture will go live and I can take a picture. Think about this in terms of student work, homework, samples, or like you would use your document camera to annotate or take notes. You can also use a photo that you have already on your camera roll by selecting Use Existing Camera. And I'm going to say I do want to do that. I want to use that existing document. Done. And it's going to import it right here. I can click on my pen below the plus shape. I'm going to see a pop out of my annotation tools. I can write on my screen, and you're going to notice I can resize that. And my annotations will travel with the size of the document. Remember, below the pen is a highlighter and all of the tools that we mentioned earlier. Once I have an end product, class notes, student work, or an example for kids who are absent, I probably want to share this work. So up in the top right of your screen, above this dot, you're going to see the square with the up arrow. That's my share button. When I click that, I'm going to have some options. I want to choose PDF. Then it's going to ask me how or where I want to send that. Your best options are probably Google Drive or via email. So if you needed to add it to Drive or email it to a student, you could. You could also post the notes directly to Google Classroom. If you want to save a copy of whatever work you've done locally to your iPad, you would select the copy button. Once you're ready to head back to your home screen, you're going to go to the Projects button or option in the top left of your screen, and you'll click Projects. It's going to ask you, do you want to save and close, or do you want to close without saving? Close without saving is really useful if you don't need this document anymore.